Welcome back to the channel, everybody. You guys know how this goes. My name's Randy. You guys are watching the 5-5 Garage channel, and today we will be doing some work on my Tahoe, and I'll explain that to you in just a second. If this is the first time you have ever seen this channel, allow me a second to say welcome. And I work on a variety of vehicles on this channel. I have a 2010 Mazda Speed 3. I also have a 1996 Mazda Miata turbo build project I'll be working on. I have one of my dailies, which is a 2003 Chevy Trailblazer, and I have recently acquired from my sister a 2001 Chevy Tahoe. Now, the Trailblazer is the one I usually drive the most, but I was looking for a larger vehicle because when the Turbo Miata build is done, eventually, I'll be taking this car and using it on the track, and I just would feel better if I could just tow it there and then tow it home, just in case anything goes wrong and I need to bring it back and not under its own power. Like I said, my sister recently got a newer vehicle and she was going to get rid of her Tahoe, but she just threw me the keys and just said, here, have at it, use it for your channel. So that's what I'm going to do. Now, today, one of the things we're going to address with the Tahoe is when I got it, it did not have any working key fobs. So all I had was a key, and it's kind of a pain to have to keep locking and unlocking the vehicle with the key. I went on Amazon and I ordered a set of replacement key fobs. And the model number on these, I think it's a G968. I have it somewhere down here on the screen. You have to get the key fob that corresponds to the year, make, and model of your vehicle. I also got a set for the Trailblazer, but they are a different number. And when you get these, you just can't, you take them out the package and start using them. You actually have to have your vehicle learn the frequency on these, and it's a fairly simple process, so I'm going to show you guys how to do that today. With all of that said, I'm going to back the Tahoe into the driveway. I'm going to put my camera in the car, and then we can get started. Here we are back in the Tahoe, and what you need to do to get started is hold down the unlock button and then cycle the key on and off 2 times. So now the vehicle is in learning mode. You want to take and hold down the lock and unlock keys for 15 seconds. Key fob number 1 is done. And then same with number 2. And then you're done. Now, you have to program these all at the same time. Once you're done, go ahead, cycle the key on and off, and that takes it out of learning mode. And then test your key fob. Lock, unlock. Second one, lock, unlock. And that is how you order a new set of key fobs and program them to your vehicle. So there you have it. That is how you program a new set of key fobs to work with your 2001 Chevy Tahoe and your 2003 Chevy Trailblazer. And for those of you wondering, yes, the process is identical for the Trailblazer. I just did a set right after I did them for the Tahoe. Everything works fine. So it's a great way to be able to replace broken or lost key fobs and still have that functionality without having to constantly use your key to lock and unlock the door. It was getting annoying for me. I'm used to modern technology. Well, I hope you guys learned something today, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button as well. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. As you can see, there are a lot of different videos that I'll be having on this channel. As we move forward, I still have a lot of work to do on the Turbo Miata build. There's a couple more Mazda Speed 3 videos that I want to do as well. There will be a lot of Tahoe content because there are a lot of things to fix on the Tahoe. Other than that, I still have a lot of work to do. It's a nice spring day. You guys can't see it, but my garage is a complete mess. There are boxes full of Miata parts over here. There are boxes of Mazda Speed stuff that's in the back that's hidden behind the car. I still have a load of Tahoe stuff I need to order, so I'm gonna use my time wisely today for once and get started on all that stuff. I hope you all are enjoying yourself wherever you are, staying safe, and getting a chance to enjoy some nice spring weather for a change. I'm gonna get started on all that stuff, and I will see you guys on the next one.